In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a payment method on eBay. If you've ever found yourself needing to update your payment preferences on eBay, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. It's simple, it's straightforward, and by the end, you'll be ready to shop or sell with ease. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in eBay and hit enter. You should see eBay's official website pop up as the first result. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to the eBay homepage. Now, once you're there, look towards the upper left corner of the page. You should see the sign in option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account details and sign in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your profile. Directed to the upper left part of your screen, you should see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the important details regarding your account's preferences and settings. Next, you'll see several tabs and you want to click on Payments. This option will direct you to a page where all your current payment methods are displayed. Now, if you're looking to add a new method, find and select the Add Cards and Accounts or similar option. This page will present you with different payment methods you can choose to link with your eBay account. When you find the option you're interested in, click on it. After making your selection, you should see a Continue button. Click on that to move forward with the setup. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your desired payment method. Once you've made your choice, click Continue again. This will take you to the page where you enter the specifics of your payment method. You'll need to input the required information, starting with your card number. Follow through by entering additional details such as the expiration date, your billing address, and any other necessary information. Ensure all the details are correct, as this will prevent any issues with transactions on your account. After checking everything over, there's a final step. Click on Add to save your new payment method. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed your payment method on eBay. Now, you're all set to continue buying or selling with peace of mind, knowing your payment information is up to date. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need to alter payment methods again in the future. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.